back here inside the arena in San Juan for the first game of your Saturday doubleheader. FEU on top 1-0. And also ahead 8-3 in set number 2. Good save by the Lady Maroons. Eulalio rejected. Back-to-back great plays by the Lady Maroons. Pero that time, ano nangyari? Point for UP as that didn't cross the net. And this early, UP needs to start putting up a fight against FEU. 4 lang ang kailangang habulin.
1 point at a time. Let's see. Oh, but Eulalio is making it impossible.
And it's just that's what you call perfect execution from the setter to the hitter, no?
Good reception, good set, excellent timing by the attacker.
UP was clearly caught flat-footed that time by that quick offensive set by FEU. Free ball para sa UP. Oh, nice play.
Oh, Palma.
As tall as she is.
Just a few
Kinapos.
inches. Oh, kinapos.
Great tenacity defensively by UP again as we go to Kat Salao.
Poor first ball reception, rather. Not enough movement. And Eric and Ann, you guys were right. That aggressiveness we saw during the UE game, Coach Jared Hubalde was looking for but could not find during that first set. But for Coach Jared, it's not lack of skill that lost him that set. In fact, he told the Lady Maroons that skill-wise for him, hindi sila nagkakalayo. But of course, for them to show those skills, they have to first be able to set a play. It's more of hesitation that's what's stopping the girls from gaining those points. For motivation, Coach Jared reminded the girls that FEU's plays are simple and they did practice them. And also unsure din sila sa plays nila. Sabi ni Coach Jared, we need higher intensity dahil kaya natin to. Eric and Ann.
All right, thank you, Kat. Is it a case of UP being intimidated by FEU in this game? Because clearly, skills-wise, you know, each of these girls are skilled enough to be in the UAAP. They all are good at what they do. That's why they're here. Pero yun nga, they can't seem to execute.
That could be one point, you know, being intimidated with FEU, but also I think one good thing that happened for the UP squad in that game against UE, maganda yung umpisa nila. And, you know, if you're young and if you're still gaining that experience, kapag nakita mo na kaya mo in a game, you get motivated. But in this case, kasi it happened, I guess, differently. When they started, it was really FEU dictating the pace of the match, of the game rather. So it was difficult for UP to show that same intensity, to show that same attitude.
Parang naunahan.
Naunahan sila ng FEU.
Parang nasindak ng konti agad, ano?
We probably could say that.
Well, it's still a relatively close one here. Pero Vargas is starting to pile it on. Back-to-back points para kay Rosemary Vargas. And now, doble na ang output ng FEU sa UP. Timeout si Coach Hubalde will check in with the Lady Maroons.
Okay, papaluin nila. Off speed. Okay, ganoon lang mangyayari. Pero same. Okay, kung ano yung pinag-usapan natin. Same direction. Okay? So, nangyayari lang dyan. Tignan lang ninyo kung ano yung gagawin. Sa pag-jump pa lang, di ba? Anong ginagawa natin pa nagbablock? Ano yung binabasa natin? Spiker, di ba? So, kailangan naka-ready tayo mag-react anytime kung ano mangyayari doon. So, mas better yung magiging decision natin kasi pinapanood mo yung spiker. Ay, tama. Diba? So, kailangan na mag-react tayo na tayo. Huwag tayo mag-react tayo. Press natin yung focus.
If you didn't look at the score, you wouldn't be able to tell that UP was down 1-0 and down 12-6 in set number 2 by the tone of Coach Hubalde. Always mild-mannered and very calm kung mag-explain, ano?
Siguro, the approach he's using dun sa team niya is not, you know, the negative kind. It's really more of motivating them. But let's see, though, how things will change.
Vargas seems to be on a roll here.
And Vargas so far has been very smart with her attacks. Mostly well-placed shots, earning points here for FEU.
Di pinapuwersa, no?
Walang puwersa masyado. So far, it's Eulalio actually that has really shown us powerful attacks from the middle. Oh, another net violation error. Too eager there.
Was that on Palma?
I think
Palma saying it's not me, pero the The umpire already whistled the call. Take a look here.
I think it's...
Yeah, that wasn't Palma.
Not Palma.
That wasn't Palma. I think that was Rojas. Now that's Palma. And that's another point para sa FEU. Substitution here as Abad is pulled out and Mangulabnan checks in para sa UP. Remy Palma serving for the Lady Tamaraws. Vargas, good block on Mangulabnan. It's cold coming off the bench, and there's a point para sa UP. Better offensive set for them.
Nice to see also that with UP, they're trying to shuffle the players. They're trying to see kung sino yung tamang mix inside the court.
Si Coach Hubalde has been experimenting with a few. They're still within striking distance here. And Vargas commits an error there. And UP needs all the breaks they can get here in set 2.
It's not impossible for them to actually tie it with FEU here if they just continue on with, better service reception, good defense.
Tip by Eulalio. Mangulabnan plays setter. That was an overset, pero an overreach.
Net violation again.
A net violation on Rojas.
He's eager at the net. Look at this.
Ayun, kitang-kita.
Very clear.
So, breaks going the way of UP there within 4. Good serve by Princess Se. Win it, Eulalio. There was a split second or two. She hung on in there. Naghanap ng butas. And found an easy opening.
And that's one of the benefits of having hang time. Yung sinasabi mo nga, because she had time habang tumatalo to actually see saan niya gustong dalhin yung ball. And you saw her really angle her attack.
That halts the momentum of the UP run. 15 serving 10. Full reception again para sa UP. But they get, nice pancake save. Was it? Nope, was not. FEU not getting the benefit of the calls here. Seemed like it was a very, very, very close one. Take a look. Did she get her? Seems like it was on the side of her arm, no?
On the side of her
arm or hand. Oh, what a save by Agno. Power hit from Chamzon. And that gets UP going here. They're within 3 in set number 2. Splits the defense at the net. 12 serving 15. Mangulabnan.
Eulalio off the block.
And ito naman yung C and Eulalio combination at the net. 16-12 set number 2. Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.